In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Google Wallet account in Nigeria. Firstly, visit the Google Wallet website. Sign in using your Gmail account and follow the prompts to create your Google Wallet account. Connect your bank card by entering your card details. Download the Google Play app from the Play Store. Just note that you need to use a VPN to access the app in Nigeria. Alternatively, you can download the app from the APK file App Store online like APK Pure or something like that. Your Google Wallet account is now set up and ready to use in Nigeria. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tips like this, and I will see you on the next one.